Milwaukee PACKOUT Rolling Toolbox Review. Real job site mobility and storage results. Ever try hauling 3 tool bags across a muddy site and feel your grip slipping? I once dropped a case right at the truck tailgate. Not ideal. That moment when your tools feel heavier than the job itself is frustrating. If you've wrestled with disorganized storage or awkward carries, you know the feeling. Sound familiar? The tension builds when you're making extra trips back to the truck. You feel the pressure of wasted time stacking loose boxes that don't lock together. I tried cheaper rolling carts. They rattled, flexed, and felt temporary. It looked organized for a week. Then chaos returned. There has to be a smarter, sturdier way to move everything at once. Then everything changed when I found the Milwaukee PACKOUT rolling toolbox. Don't just pick any rolling toolbox. Make sure it has a true modular locking system, so you never waste time restacking loose boxes that shift and fall again. The Milwaukee PACKOUT rolling toolbox acts as the rolling foundation of the entire PACKOUT system, letting you stack and lock multiple boxes securely. Let me be honest. The first time I rolled a fully loaded stack over gravel, I expected wobble. It stayed solid. The 9-inch all-terrain wheels glide over uneven ground, and the telescoping handle feels stable rather than flimsy. The IP65 seal keeps rain and dust out, which matters more than you think after a sudden storm. A contractor I know nearly missed a setup window because his old storage tipped mid-transport. Switching to this base reduced those close calls. It's not lightweight, but that weight reflects durability. Even DIY users quietly appreciate how it doubles as a rolling workstation platform. After steady use, the Milwaukee PACKOUT rolling toolbox stops feeling like an accessory and starts feeling like infrastructure. You make fewer trips because everything locks together. That alone changes your pace on a busy job. A long-term electrician reviewer described it as the toughest box he's owned in decades of commercial work. On Jobsite forums, tradespeople consistently mention how the 250-pound capacity handles stacked drawers and organizers without flexing. Influencers who test modular storage often highlight how securely PACKOUT components click into place, reducing mid-move anxiety. I noticed that confidence shift myself when loading tools into a truck bed and rolling straight onto gravel without hesitation. Some users mention the top opening design requires unstacking upper boxes for access. That is fair. It's a small trade-off for structural strength. Price can also give pause compared to budget carts, but durability and modular expansion tend to offset replacement costs over time. If you plan to build a long-term storage system, this base grows with you. Which matters more, pure capacity or modular flexibility? Either way, daily organization becomes calmer and more controlled. Let's wrap this up. The Milwaukee PACKOUT rolling toolbox is about moving smarter, not harder. Instead of juggling loose cases, you roll one secure stack with confidence. Thousands of contractors and serious DIYers already use PACKOUT as their modular storage backbone, and results may vary depending on setup. If you want real job site mobility and expandable storage in one foundation, check the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment and see if the Milwaukee PACKOUT rolling toolbox fits your workflow.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.